Sizokhuthaza intsha ukuthi ke isukume izenzele okuthile. Khona abanye abangahle bathole imisebenzi kuma partners, corporate partners esize nabo, okuwu clientele, kube uAbsa, kube uHollard. Lama corporates ahlangene sathi sithi asike sibuyele emalokishini. Sike siyothola ukuthi abekho yini abantu abangaba qualified ukuthi basebenze ngaphakathi kulezi inkampani qobo lwazo noma bakhiphe lokho ekuthiwa yi-CSI funding ukubasiza ukuthi bakwazi ukuzenzela izinto ezithile ama-skills wabo vele kade be-qualified kuwona.
The event went very well. I think it was the introduction of the concept to them that clientele is partnering with the Shembe community, whereby the people that are going to be identified after a process to become agents that are going to be distributing Shembe funeral plan, which will be underwritten by clientele.
I think it is very important for us to keep within the rural communities, as most of the youth in South Africa stems from these communities. And now we're saying, let's bring corporate to the community in a fashion and a language that the communities will understand, so that we can develop the community and not just the individual.